Saint Martin Island is a small island in the northeastern part of the Bay of Bengal, about 9 kilometers south of the tip of the Cox's Bazar Teknaf Peninsula and forming the southernmost part of the Bangladesh. There is a small adjoining island that is separated at high tide called Seradip. It is about 8 kilometers west of the northwest coast of Myanmar at the mouth of the Naf River. Its location Bay of Bengal. Area 3 kilometers, length 6 kilometers, width 5 kilometers. District Cox's Bazar. The best weather is usually between November and February. This is the major tourist season. Between March and July, cyclones can strike. Millennium ago, the island used to be an extension of the Teknaf Peninsula, but at a later time, some portion of this peninsula got submerged, and thus the southernmost part of the aforementioned peninsula became an island and was disconnected from the Bangladesh mainland. The first settlement started 250 years ago by Arabian sailors who named the island Jazira. During British occupation, the island was named after the then Deputy Commissioner of Chittagong, Mr. Martin, as Saint Martin Island. The local names of the island are Narikel Jinjira, which means coconut island, and Darujini Deep, which means cinnamon island. It is the only coral island in Bangladesh. The island makes up the Saint Martin's Union Porishad. It has 9 villages or areas. Poshchim Para, Del Para, Uttor Para, Majher Para, Dokhin Para, Purbo Para, Konar Para, নজরুল পাড়া এবং গলাচিপা. Most of the islands, approximately 3,700 inhabitants, live primarily from fishing. The other staple crops are rice and coconut. Being very common on the island, alarms are collected, dried, and exported to Myanmar between October and April. The fishermen from neighboring areas bring their caught fishes to the island's temporary wholesale market. However, imports of chicken, meat, and other foods come in from the mainland Bangladesh and Myanmar. As the center and the south are mainly farmland and makeshift hunts, most of the permanent structures are around the far north. During the rainy season, because of the dangerous conditions on the Bay of Bengal, the inhabitants have no scope to go to the mainland and their life can become dangerous. There is a hospital on the island, but in the past there has often been no doctor. The only way to reach Saint Martin Island is by water transportations, boats and ships from Cox's Bazar and Teknaf. The only internal transports for island is non-motorized van. The roads are made of concrete and their condition are decent. All the hotels run generators until 11 p.m. which are not allowed afterwards, so they then rely on solar power, which is popular throughout the island. There is no electricity supply from the national grid since a hurricane in 1991. During the day, it comes alive with water and beach sports, with beach parties and bonfires. From 1918 to 2004, non-residential Bangladeshis and foreigners were the only people permitted on the island. However, this has changed and now residential Bangladesh are allowed. St. Martin Island has become a tourist spot and 5 shipping liners run daily trips to the island. Tourists can book their trip either from Chittagong or from Cox's Bazar. The surrounding coral reef has an extension named Chera Deep. A small bush is there, which is the only green part. People do not live on this part, so it is advisable for the tourists to go there early and come back by afternoon. A number of efforts have been proposed to preserve the seafowl only on Narikal Jinjira. Pieces of the coral reef are being removed to the sold to tourists. Nesting turtles and sometimes taken for food, and their hatching are often distracted by the twinkling lights along the beach. Fish a few recently discovered are being overfished. Everywhere the fishermen must venture further out to sea to go their catch. Most of them use motorless boats. It is possible to walk around the island in a day because it measures only 8 kilometers to about 5 kilometers. During high tide, the island exceeds only because of its coral base. So, removal of their coral risks erosion of the beach. St. Martin's lost 70% of this coral reef between 1918 and 2018 due to anthropic factors.